Cisco One Software, Data Center Compute. It is inevitable. Are we ready? Change is innovation, growth. Change is the new normal. Our customers want outcomes, business relevance, agility, simplicity. Software is core to the digital world, and Cisco customers are already getting big results. Imagine the possibilities of transitioning Wi-Fi from an IT cost center to a revenue enabler. Learn more about Cisco, how Cisco software can create new opportunities for you.
MGM Resorts International is a recognized leader in global entertainment and hospitality. We operate 24 different properties, both domestic and international. Our mission is to engage, entertain, and inspire our guests, and we do that through a wide variety of dining and shopping and entertainment experiences. We want to deliver that at a level that has never been experienced before. The Bellagio app is like a personal concierge for our guests. It allows them to find out all the information that they need about all of our properties, restaurants, dining, and shopping with pinpoint accuracy. For us, particularly on the marketing side, to be completely aligned with IT is critical because it's really the technology that allows us to deliver the levels of service and engagement that we're looking for.
Personalization, mobility, analytics, digitalization of business, democratization of applications. Cisco's software strategy incorporates 4 basic principles. First and foremost, focus on the user experience. The goal being that the user experience is intuitive, immersive, and consistent. Second, the entire portfolio is cloud-ready. This provides the customer the ability to be agile and adaptive in their business needs. Third, we deploy an application-centric infrastructure. Because of this focus, we are able to integrate security into the applications that run our customers' business. And finally, consumption model flexibility. This is the cornerstone of allowing our customers to migrate from premise to cloud and perpetual to subscription. In other words, total flexibility as their licensing requirements evolve. These principles are key to market disruption in a digital age. Customers need software flexibility to increase their business velocity. Introducing Cisco One Software, a more valuable and flexible way to consume Cisco software. It provides a simpler licensing model, better total cost of ownership, and access to constant innovation. Let's take a look now at the fundamentals of the Cisco One software offering. Cisco One software is comprised of a 3x3 structure. The 3 architectures are Data Center, WAN, and Access. Within Data Center is divided into networking and compute. And in the Access architecture, we have switching and wireless. In addition, from a software perspective, there is Foundation, Advanced Application, and Advanced Security. These 3 levels of software offerings provide the customer bundled capabilities within each level of software. We will cover this in greater detail when we review the 3 architectures and subsequent modules. In summary, the 3x3 Cisco One software model is 3 architectures and 3 software levels. Customers benefit with this model as we have incorporated many software capabilities in each bundle. They can access and use those capabilities as their business requirements demand. So, what is Cisco One? Cisco One takes what used to be hundreds and hundreds of choices when it came to hardware and software and combines them to make a simple 3x3 option to acquire Cisco software. The result of this simplification makes it easier to buy as well as sell. Cisco One also decouples the software features from the hardware, enabling software license portability and access to ongoing innovation for the life of the software versus the hardware. And finally, licenses are perpetual or subscription-based and have several ELA options to use for procurement. So, in summary, Cisco One software makes it easier to buy and sell, allows portability and innovation, and gives our customers the flexibility of licensing in the way that makes the most sense to them. When we look at Cisco One software from the lifetime perspective, we have 3 ideal opportunities to sell Cisco One software: at purchase, in deployment, and at refresh. The first is at purchase. There are economies of scale and a lower TCO, and simplified purchasing make this an attractive offer to explore with the customer. The second would be for those customers with Cisco deployed. These customers will need to be sold on the broader feature set, ongoing innovation, and improved management that Cisco One brings. Third, customers at refresh are ideal candidates since TCO, portability, ongoing innovation, etc. can be leveraged at this stage with the customer. Cisco One software really helps us in several areas. With regard to customer relevance, by aligning our software solutions into the business, we will naturally gain relevance in this area. Another great area is in the deal size increase using Cisco One software. On average, deals will go up by approximately 10 to 15%, and I suppose if you review that with our annual goal increases, Cisco One software may help bridge that gap. Competitive displacement is an absolute benefit of Cisco One software. Using the bundling effect to create better value using Cisco and displacing a competitor should not be overlooked. And naturally, as our customers utilize more of our software, we will create greater stickiness for Cisco software and hardware with our customers. As customers deploy a broader software suite, our overall business will naturally grow with additional hardware and software. Now let's take a look at Cisco One software for data center compute. Cisco One software is a new software offer. You need to sell the business relevance to create the desire for adoption. Have you ever seen a TV commercial and you watched it and you thought, wow, I really need to buy that. I want to buy that thing. And you don't even really know what just happened. You just saw the spot and you want to buy something. You have the thought, I want to get out there and buy it. What if I could teach you the process we use with Cisco to make customers desire that Cisco One software? And you can apply it making your customers desire working with you, buying more software from you, attracting more of your ideal customers to you. What if I could give you a few questions and scenarios that you could use as you go to market with Cisco One software? Questions to ask your customers that would help them grow their business and help them attract more customers to their business, helping you help them, thereby helping you sell more software to them. Today, we are creating possibilities by transitioning Cisco hardware and software business from something you are trying to sell to something people want to buy. This module will help you understand the use cases, functionality, and finally, the contents of the Cisco One software suite for the data center compute offers. Your success comes from a foundational understanding of your customer's line of business challenges and desires and their market environment. What your customers really want to know is not just how to cut the bottom line, but to also grow the top line. That's what they really care about. Your job is to ask them questions that make them think differently about their business. You don't have to grow their business for them. You have to ask them the right questions to get them to think about things they aren't thinking about in their business right now that can make a difference for them. Then, you can position Cisco One software features into powerful and relevant solutions that justify its new pricing model. Let's look at a couple of use cases that align to Foundation for Compute. Enabling customers to automate their compute infrastructure will allow them to deploy, provision, configure, and manage UCS and virtual servers with consistent global compute policies in a quick and easy manner. In addition, Foundation for Compute provides a self-service catalog of infrastructure compute services for end-user consumption, secure data center extension and workload mobility between private and public clouds, and multi-hypervisor virtual machine networking with operational consistency. When looking at Enterprise Cloud Suite, use cases would be centered around creating a self-service portal for provisioning and lifecycle management of hybrid-ready private cloud and supporting infrastructure. Features will include full range of cloud capabilities, infrastructure automation across compute, network, storage, and virtualization, self-service catalog for applications, virtual machines, and other services for end-user consumption, design and deployment of application stacks, seamless experience across private and public clouds, support for full range of enterprise apps from traditional business apps to next-gen and custom apps, Take Amazon or another large online retailer with peaking demands on their compute infrastructure, seasonal retail, IRS tax fulfillment, movie production. Customers benefit from the Cisco One software, data center compute, and enterprise cloud suite. The software applications that are provided in the Cisco One software SKU for Foundation for Compute are Prime Service Catalog Foundation, Intercloud Fabric for Business, 4 hybrid ports for 1-year subscription, UCS Director Foundation, UCS Performance Manager Foundation, UCS Central, and Energy Management. The software applications that are provided in the single Cisco One software SKU for Enterprise Cloud Suite are Prime Service Catalog, UCS Director, UCS Performance Manager, Virtual Application Container Services, includes Nexus 1 KV Advanced. Foundation for Compute is a prerequisite to order Enterprise Cloud Suite. As a result, the Enterprise Cloud Suite would also include Intercloud Fabric for Business, UCS Central, and Energy Management. The benefits of Foundation for Compute include the ability to rapidly deploy, scale, and manage compute and virtual infrastructure, increase efficiency to manage UCS domains across multiple data centers, cost-effectiveness, and go green with integrated energy management, performance monitoring and capacity planning for UCS components, and extend data center into public cloud using your choice of providers. The benefits of Enterprise Cloud Suite include focuses on business outcomes, not technology, out-of-box automation and content for on-demand delivery of solutions, out-of-box templates for common software stacks to build solutions, a self-service catalog that delivers a seamless end-user experience, performance management for integrated infrastructure to optimize resource and deliver services that align with business needs, and hybrid cloud capability delivers access to public cloud providers and resources. And the third bundle of software under Cisco One software for data center is Threat Defense for Data Center. Secure the enterprise perimeter and branches with built-in advanced security in Cisco ISR and ASR platforms. Safeguard against threats such as malware, intrusions, and denial of service attacks. Strong perimeter security, content filter, and threat defense with malware detection. Advanced traffic inspection and malware detection. Integrated web content filtering. UCS Blade Servers, UCS Central, UCS Director. Let's look at how Cisco One software stacks up in an enterprise cloud solution. We will look at it in 2 parts. This is the hardware portion of the purchase. The amount of hardware purchased will dictate the size of the required Swiss order. The assumption: UCS Central license and support cost is spread across 60 servers per domain. Therefore, $12,000 per domain license price is $200 per server, and $2,400 per domain software support is $40 per server. In this case, the a la carte software that is purchased costs $16,519, and the Cisco One software bundle is $8,800 for the equivalent benefits and services. Cisco One software for data center creates a savings of 47%. Total cost of ownership can provide savings from approximately 3 to 5%, all the way up to in excess of 50%, depending on the configuration and products offered. It is because the software licenses are portable to new hardware at refresh, so there is no need to purchase the software again. Let's look at services and support for Cisco One software. SmartNet and SmartNet Total Care are focused on the hardware and basic OS support, including operating system software updates, downloading new maintenance releases, patches, and updates of Cisco One software will enhance and extend the life of your devices. On average, there are 6 million OS downloads a year. SmartNet is only required for the first year, but should be associated with Cisco One software throughout the lifetime of the purchase. Swiss should be associated with Cisco One software throughout the purchase's lifetime. Swiss can maximize your technology investments by increasing the performance of current functionality, adding new functionality that in many cases requires no additional hardware investment, enhancing network availability, reliability, and stability, and license portability. The technical services for Cisco One software is comprised of two services that cover hardware and software support. Software support service, which supports the three product Cisco One software product types: Advanced Security, Advanced Application, and Foundation. SmartNet and SmartNet Total Care support the infrastructure layer and base operating system. Cisco One software services are offered in service plan designed to give customers the best service option to suit their specific business outcomes. Day One offerings provide support for each client as they plan and build their network services. For Cisco One software, the Day One service is known as Quick Start Fixed Price. Quick Start Fixed Price is designed to offer customers a set of services aligned with the plan and building required to create effective business solutions. Day Two services focus on the ongoing management and optimization of the network, allowing customers to operate with maximum efficiency and agility. The guided implementation team and help desk resources included in this service enable customers to reduce their risk while implementing Cisco One software, accelerate adoption, and utilize the full feature set available within the software. Included in the Quick Start services for Day One are three primary components: strategy, planning, and design. These are fixed price services and will guide your customer through their implementation of Cisco One software solutions. Optimization Day Two services provides high value by providing the customer with the ability to have the Cisco software service team fine-tune performance, meaning improvements in speed and efficiency can and should be expected that in turn can outperform their competition. Let's look at Day One service that you can sell for data center compute. The Cisco Domain 10 Strategy Workshop covers the 10 major areas an organization must consider that will help you transform IT to unlock business potential. It can help you identify gaps and create an architectural roadmap for consolidation and virtualization, cloud, and applications. Cisco Domain 10 covers the important aspects of infrastructure, virtualization, and automation to help map your transformational journey, whether you want to take advantage of virtualization or want to move to cloud. In addition to technology considerations, it covers security, compliance, process, and governance implications. The Quick Start service for Foundation for Compute includes the following: Cisco Deployment Service for UCS Central, small. Cisco Deployment Service for UCS Director, small. Cisco Deployment Service for Prime Service Catalog. Cisco Validation Service for Intercloud Fabric, medium. Cisco Energy Management Discovery Service. Some benefits of this service are: it unlocks software capabilities and develops a foundation for private cloud by adding a new UCS compute pod into the infrastructure. Your customer can achieve centralized domain management and visibility with UCS Central. In addition, they can achieve unified provisioning and management of bare metal and virtual resources with UCS Director. Easily order complete infrastructure containers from the catalog, increasing time to innovation and value to your business. Build secure hybrid clouds and extend the data center to public clouds on demand. And unlock energy management features and optimize infrastructure energy profile using Intelligent Energy Dashboard. Your customer can expect to experience the following outcomes: reduced implementation risk with faster time to value, increased cost efficiencies with policy-based provisioning of compute infrastructure, enhanced system visibility with faster decision-making, speed operational processes by automating self-service provisioning of compute resources. The scope and positioning for Quick Start service for Foundation for Compute is as follows: customer segment: enterprise, public sector, commercial select. Decision makers are head of infrastructure or data center, IT directors, or the director of operations, needing to rapidly adopt Cisco One compute software into production, use expert assistance, reduce implementation risk, and achieve faster time to value. Now let's look at the sizing. UCS Central, small. Creation of 3 domain groups and profile templates, greenfield deployments only. UCS Director, small. 3 predefined use case workflows. Prime Service Catalog. self-service provisioning of data center and application services. Intercloud Fabric, installation assistance with one non-distributed instance of Cisco Intercloud Fabric, one migration use case. EnergyWise Management, baseline energy usage for IT assets. Return on investment analysis, simulations and use of EnergyWise Management Portal for 90 days. UCS Pod, on-site assistance for configuration of Cisco UCS Pod covering one data center and up to 2 fabric interconnects. Implementation assistance with one OS and/or one hypervisor. Quick Start service for Enterprise Cloud Suite supports the deployment of UCS Director for medium platforms, deployment of Virtual Application Container Services or VACS, and the deployment of Prime Service Catalog. If customer needs help unlocking software capabilities under the Foundation for Compute stack, the 3 SKUs noted in the lower left can be also positioned. The Enterprise Cloud Suite benefits include Cisco UCS Director for comprehensive unified provisioning and management of bare metal and virtual resources, Cisco Virtual Application Container Services for simplified delivery of virtual network services at an end-to-long provisioning times. Customers can expect the following outcomes. Differentiate and spend time to value with a solution that simplifies data center management. Improve efficiencies and total cost of ownership with a design that integrates existing IT processes across virtualization, server, compute, network, and storage. Quick Start service for Enterprise Cloud Suite scope and positioning. The target customer profile and positioning for the customer segment includes Enterprise, Public Sector, Commercial Select, and Mid-Market. The decision makers are VP Head of Infrastructure or Data Center, Director of Operations, Automations Architect, needing to accelerate converged infrastructure management, rapidly enable automated workflows across compute, network, storage, quickly deploy virtualized application containers, automate on-demand customer service for data center and application resources. The scope, sizing for Enterprise Cloud Suite are as follows. UCSD, small, 3 predefined use case workflows. UCSD, medium, 6 predefined use case workflows. Future state assessment. Virtual application container services. Rapid go-live of 2 application container templates. Publication of containers to self-service catalog. Prime Service Catalog. Self-service provisioning of data center and application services. Now, let's look at how to create a bill of materials for a Cisco One software purchase. This section assumes you have access to and the knowledge related to navigating Cisco tools, such as the Cisco Commerce Workspace. If not, we recommend that you watch the Bill of Materials module included with this course. Under the traditional BOM, you had hundreds of choices to configure. You had to choose which of the hundreds of available features you would apply to that specific device, then determine the meter, and then what services you would apply. Under the traditional way of creating a BOM, there were 69 levels of service within SmartNet alone. The bottom line is that in a traditional BOM, you had hundreds of SKUs combined with over 40 components and 20 product families. With a Cisco One software BOM, you have a base platform which includes your iOS and product support, 2 software offerings, services, and price. This greatly reduces the variables while increasing the value to the customer. To get a foundational level understanding of all the different software suites and the value that they offer, please make sure to complete the Foundations and Architectures tracks of the Cisco One software e-learning program. Instead of having to match features to meter, now you only have to select from one of the 3 software bundles and select the services component, simplifying the process for Cisco account teams and making it simpler for the customer to understand the BOM. Global Virtual Engineering, or GVE, offers a tremendous resource as you begin to sell the Cisco One software offerings. Global Virtual Engineering is a pre-sales team of engineers that specializes in each of Cisco's architectures. This team supports the Cisco internal sales teams via the Technology Solutions Network, or TSN, and the partner sales teams through Partner Help, or PH, and/or Partner Help Plus, or PH Plus. The Cisco internal sales teams and partner sales teams can engage global virtual engineering for pre-sales technical support 24 hours a day, 5 days a week from anywhere in the world. The global virtual engineering engineers can provide assistance with your Cisco One software opportunities. The engineers can provide details about Cisco One software solutions. More specifically, the engineers can articulate the value proposition and positioning for specific solutions within the bundle. Global virtual engineering can also assist in the creation of any preliminary bill of material. In addition, global virtual engineering has a team focused specifically on technical services to assist with any Cisco One software support services, or SWIS. A Cisco Smart Account is the new way for customers to view and manage Cisco software licenses and entitlements across their entire organization. Smart Accounts provide many benefits. Provide enterprise-wide visibility and management of software purchases and licenses. Manage users and permissions to entitlements. Track usage of licenses and associated devices. Enable license portability, eliminate PAC registration, and simplify RMA rehosting. A Smart Account is required for Cisco One software products to enable license portability. All end customers must complete a one-time setup of a Smart Account. A Smart Account is not required to place a Cisco One software order, but will be in the near future. Only current exception is Enterprise Cloud Suite, as it contains a smart licensing product. A customer Smart Account is required to complete order fulfillment for Cisco One software products. If you have a Cisco One software opportunity in your pipeline, it is best to proactively help your customer create a Smart Account prior to booking a Cisco One software order. Anyone with a Cisco User ID, CCO ID, can request a new Smart Account on behalf of the customer. If a Smart Account is not created by the time of order processing, the software operations team will reach out to the customer to help them set up their Smart Account. The link to set up a new Smart Account can be found in the PowerPoint notes of this module. Congratulations! Now you can pitch Cisco One software in every deal. Remember to position Cisco One software early in the deal process. Practically every deal can be a Cisco One software opportunity. Understand and speak specifically to your customers' business outcomes. This will help you increase your deal sizes and create upside opportunities. Mark deals in Salesforce as Cisco One software opportunities. This will give you access to more resources designed to help you close the deal. Take your competitors by surprise. Use Cisco One software suite to change the value proposition from a hardware and software sale to a tool to grow your customer's business. To receive more information, navigate to the other modules included in the Cisco One software training program tracks.